The report launch attracted members of the judiciary, the justice law and order sector, and its development partners as the Chief Justice responded to a statutory instrument in the administration of the Judiciary Act.
Ugandans trust the judiciary. No matter what people say, I think at the next survey, you will find that you are among the most trusted.
While the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs heaped praise on the judiciary for being what he called a leading pace setter for other government institutions, the Chief Justice was not happy with actors in security who, he said, disrespect court decisions.
We have experienced disrespect of court orders and interference with the execution process by some members of the armed forces, some resident district commissioners, and even some lawyers. We as judiciary, we do not set the law. Law is set by Parliament. We must act in accordance with the Constitution. We must respect the principle of separation of powers. You can be cited for contempt and be prosecuted.
The Chief Justice wants government to fund the recruitment of judges in the commercial and land divisions of the High Court, saying cases there are holding huge amounts of money from circulation.
There's real money being tied up in the commercial division of the High Court in Kampala. Could be anywhere in the region of 7 trillion shillings. They just tied up there because he has only 6 judges. We have added 2 more judges, 8. That is nothing. It's like you want to empty the water in Lake Victoria and using this basin we use for bathing. I don't know how long you take to scoop all the water.
The judiciary has seen its budget more than triple from 137 billion shillings in the financial year 2019-2020 to now 372 billion shillings after the passing of the administration of the Judiciary Act in 2020, a step towards its independence as an arm of government.
The Chief Justice reported considerable success in reduction in case backlog and increased access to justice across the country. He outlined an ambitious plan to further equip the institution this financial year. But he was quick to note that these achievements by the judiciary may not help the people that much unless if government funds the judiciary's complementary agencies like the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, whose underfunding has seen suspects spend as many as 3 years on remand without trial, and the police, which is charged with investigating cases. Edward Muhumza, NTV.